Hey guys, welcome back to KTV. I'm Carson and today I'm going to be doing a highly requested video on how to make slime. I'm so excited to personally make this video, so let's get straight onto the video. So what you'll need is glue, a bowl, food coloring is optional, Tide, and a mixing tool. So let's get straight onto the video. First, what you're going to do is open up your glue container. It might be a little hard to open, so ask an adult if you need help. First, what you do is put in your glue. However much glue you use, that's how much slime you're going to get. Then what you're going to do is mix in, I'm making purple, so a drop of blue and a drop of red. But of course you can do as however light purple slime or dark purple slime you want. So right now I'm just mixing. Wow, this is really pretty. So right now, I'm just mixing my colors of slime. Wow, I like this color. It's a nice lavender color. Just make sure all the white slime is gone. And make sure all the purple slime is in. So next what you're going to do is a little Tide at a time. Let's put this back on. Bloop, and bloop. All of it's falling over here. So some Tide. Be careful, you don't want to add too much. So what I'm going to do is just add a little at a time. There. Wow, I think it's already coming together. Look at this. Remember, you don't want to add too much or then you're going to overactivate your slime. You want to add just the right amount or else it's going to get too hard. But if you add too less, you're going to make it way too sticky. It's coming together, it looks like. Let's put a little bit more in. And a pinch of baking soda is always optional just to make sure that it all comes together. Let's get this, my baking soda. So I'm just going to put a pinch of this in just to make sure all of it comes together. Wow, I love this purple color. It's so pretty. And the reason why I wanted to do this is because I had all the ingredients at my house today. I usually don't have a lot of glue or any containers, so that's why I wanted to do this. Let's put a little bit more activator. Remember, not too much. Ooh, I think it's really coming together, look. Should we play with it with our hands? Let's put this right here. It's a little sticky, but that's okay. Wow, look at this. I say it's coming together great. Put my hand in a little bit of Tide to make sure it's not super sticky. And remember, you don't want to add too much because once you start playing with it with your hands, it goes just right. Let's get all this excess slime off of our hands so I can show you the finished product. And this is some really good slime. It's not too sticky and it's not too hard. I say it's just right. But remember, you can always use other materials if it's too hard. Like you could add more glue, or you can simply just set it out in somewhere hot, which that's what I usually do because it usually always works no matter what. So now I'm just going to get the slime off my fork that I've been using. And the container, as you can see, it's pretty messy. It went in some different places. So now I'm just going to I'm just tapping the container. As you can see, it comes right off. That's how you know if your slime is done. And here's our slime. I say it's out of this world. I really like it. Next, what I kind of want to do is make a pink slime. So let's do that now. Just a little bit of glue. That's all I'm doing. Now let me find a good container because I don't want to put it in a big container because it's only a little amount of slime. This looks right. Wow, it fits perfectly. Now I want to make a pink slime. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. Oh, there we go. How much do we have left? It's a good amount. Okie dokie. Now I'm going to put a little bit of red food coloring. And red food coloring usually makes pink slime. It won't sit up. So now I'm just going to mix this to my nice pink color I'd like. And if you make it too dark, that's okay. Just add a little more glue. That always works. As you can see, here's mine. It's not slime yet. Got a little glue on my hands. There, I like that pink color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit just to make sure, a little bit of baking soda just to make sure it comes all together. And let's put this little one like so. Then we're going to put some Tide. And this is where the magic happens. Look, it's already coming together. This is awesome, and I really like slime, so it's a thumbs up for me. Oh, and this one didn't take as a lot. See, it's already good. I wonder if I could play with it with my hands. But it looks pretty sticky still. So I'm just going to keep mixing it. Maybe just a tiny bit more. Maybe even that much. I didn't even put a lot, literally. I just want it to be as good as my purple one. Look at it. It's already good. Let's feel it to make sure it's just right. I say it's good to play with our hands to make it good and, yeah, just good. And not sticky, which is always, you don't want slime to be sticky, do you? This is not all of it. I'm just trying to play with a little bit at a time because this one's super sticky. It's like unicorn slime. because I have pink and purple. This is like a good bubblegum slime color. Trying to make this a really good one because, as you can see, it's pretty sticky still. I say it's coming together great. Just gotta get the activator worked all in. What's that? It's probably just a little bird because it's pretty windy outside. As you can see, it's pretty good right now. So I think this batch of slime is also out of this world. I'm going to try to make the rest of this slime not sticky. Okay, let's put this to the side so we can work on our other slime. It's a big difference from playing with non-sticky slime to sticky slime. It's a very big difference, actually. Bloop, bloop. I say this is some really good slime here. Let's mix this with this slime to make it better. This is really good slime too. Get this all off our hand in the bowl, and then we'll be good to go. Let's get this off the bowl. Some really good slime, I should say myself. There we go. Now let's put our Tide over to the side and check out both of our slimes. Let's get our purple one. Here's our pink, here's our purple. And I really like these because they're nice pastel. Here's the purple slime. Thumbs up. And here's the pink. Thumbs up again. This is some really good slime. These are some really good slimes. Thumbs up. I think we're going to wrap it up here. I hope you enjoyed this video of KTV. I hope you enjoy. See you later. Bye.